welcome to the Unique Kitchen on every NG, the blog that keeps loading you with unlimited trends. We understand what is really going on right now under the lockdown, and we want to let you know that with just 300 naira you can make something sumptuous, something delicious for yourself and your family. Just sit tight and follow us through this journey while we go.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be making okra soup, and we have our okra, we have fish, dried fish, crayfish, we have locust beans, salt, palm oil, of course pepper and maggi, of course. Now you don't have to go through the crayfish and fish thing too, although I had to get crayfish and fish together because I have palm oil and salt and a few things at home. Now for you, if you don't have it, you don't have to really buy fish together. You can just use your crayfish and you're good to go. You need a clean pot to cook this delicacy, and right now I'm going to start preparing this whole thing. Some people like their okra chopped, some sliced, although for me I prefer it sliced. Do you understand? So right now we're going to be doing the cooking, right? So like I said, I told you I prefer my okra sliced like this. I don't like the chopped one, the diced one. I really don't like it. Now here in the pot I have the fish, the crayfish, my pepper, the little, I really don't eat much pepper, so a little pepper, my stock and all that. So I'm just going to add salt too. Can you see? Just a little salt, and add my oil into it. And I'm going to add water, just a little water though, just a little. Okay, so that is enough. Now we are going to put this on the fire to cook for like say 10 minutes, and then we'll add our okra, stir it and wait for like 3 minutes, and then we're good to go. So I'm going to be putting this on fire right now, and then don't forget I said all the time that. Alright, so here we go. This is on the fire now. Oh my god, you need to perceive this aroma. Wow. Yeah. So at this point you could taste. So for the salt and all that, I really don't do tasting. I just know my measurement. So right now we'll add the okra inside of it. So remember, whichever way you choose your okra, whether the diced one or the sliced one, so you allow it to steam for like 3 minutes. Remember, vegetables don't need to cook that long, just like 3 minutes, it's okay. So we're going to allow it to steam for like 3 minutes right now. 3 minutes already, and there you go. Wow. Yes. So our okra soup is ready. Yes, we are ready to